In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into the app menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into settings, look for location here, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!